I just went to Learning Express and I just got slime liquor. It's so good and I recommend to go and get it from Learning Express because they have it only for like $8. And since it's been kind of like going viral around like TikTok, Instagram, and all that sort of stuff, I would go to Learning Express. But I got this little dumpling. Yeah, and my friend Catherine did too. So it comes with a little case for traveling. You can put your food in it, like this, and then.
Yes. This one's here.
So also.
Oh.
Hold on.
This has got to go upstairs.
I dropped something. Okay.
Otherwise, it'll be all in the kitchen.
Well, that's not even part of it.
But this one's new.
Well, they're also slippery. Get my banana. Okay. So, and then I got all these.
Wait, you know what?
So, it was like 18 for a pack. Here, let me read this receipt. So, it was like a squishy dimpling. Anyways, you could get like 18 out of these things. I think there's something, okay? But I'm stuck in my chair. I can't get out. Okay, I'm out. Okay, I'm gonna throw this thing on the ceiling. Sticks. Oof, that's a terrible sticker. Anyways.
I'm not sick. I just coughed.
Then I got these little like fruit squishies.
It went from bitter juice to
I have an orange, strawberry, and a banana. Then I have this diced Pop-It.
And
it's super duper satisfying. And then I got this little Daisy pen. Because my dog's name is Daisy, which is I'm gonna be updating my channel to Daisy to Chloe. Yeah, that's Chloe, by the way. Hey, Chloe! Chloe! Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, so I got this little puppy in a cup. It's kind of like a squirrel, but I got the puppy one.
I thought you guys got it.
And that's what I got from Learning Express. Peace out, guys. Love y'all.